Power. Redefined. This is the RedMagic 11 Pro, the most advanced gaming phone of 2025. Built not just to play, but to dominate. If you think you've seen powerful Androids before, think again, because this beast takes performance to a whole new level. At the heart of the RedMagic 11 Pro is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, a monster of silicon engineered for extreme gaming. Paired with up to 24 gigabytes of LPDDR, 5x RAM, and 1 terabyte of storage, this phone crushes every benchmark it touches. No lag, no limits, just pure speed. Whether you're dropping into Warzone Mobile, climbing the ranks in PUBG, or streaming your gameplay, the RedMagic 11 Pro handles it all effortlessly. Frame drops? Gone. Thermal throttling? Eliminated. Then there's the display, a 6.85-inch AMOLED screen running at a stunning 144 Hz refresh rate. Every motion feels instant, every frame buttery smooth. It's HDR10+ certified, so your games and videos pop with color and contrast like never before. And with a touch response of 960 Hz, it's faster than your reflexes. This isn't just a display, it's a weapon. But what's power without control? That's where RedMagic's Aqua-Core cooling system comes in, featuring a built-in high-speed cooling fan. You can actually see it spin through the transparent back, keeping the phone icy cold even in the most intense gaming sessions. No heat, no slowdown, just performance that never quits. Of course, power needs endurance. That's why you get a massive 7,500 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging, from 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes. So even when others are plugging in, you're still playing, still winning. Look at this design. Sleek, transparent, futuristic. RGB lights glow from within, and those shoulder triggers give you console-like precision. Every inch of this device screams gaming DNA. It's not just built for gamers. It's built by gamers, for domination. So, what do you think? Would you trade your phone for this absolute powerhouse? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love tech like this, hit that subscribe button for more epic drops every week. The RedMagic 11 Pro. Power, performance, perfection. Welcome to the future of mobile gaming.